Hello, ocean friends. Wave today. We're going on a sea adventure to learn the alphabet with amazing underwater animals. Let's dive deep and meet all the creatures from A to Z. Ready? Let's swim. A is for angelfish. A is for angelfish. Angelfish are colorful and graceful swimmers. B is for blue whale. B is for blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. C is for crab. C is for crab. Crabs have strong claws and scuttle sideways. D is for dolphin. D is for dolphin. Dolphins are playful and intelligent sea creatures. E is for eel. E is for eel. Eels have long, snake-like bodies and live in the ocean. F is for flying fish. F is for flying fish. Flying fish can leap out of the water and glide. G is for giant squid. G is for giant squid. The giant squid has long tentacles and big eyes. H is for hammerhead shark. H is for hammerhead shark. This shark has a unique, hammer-shaped head. I is for isopod. I is for isopod. Isopods are small, strange-looking crustaceans. J is for jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish float gracefully through the water. K is for killer whale. K is for killer whale. Killer whales are powerful hunters of the sea. L is for lobster. L is for lobster. Lobsters have hard shells and powerful claws. M is for manatee. M is for manatee. Manatees are gentle giants, also known as sea cows. N is for narwhal. N is for narwhal. Narwhals are known for their long, unicorn-like tusks. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. The octopus has 8 arms and is very smart. P is for penguin. P is for penguin. Penguins are flightless birds that love cold water. Q is for quahog. Q is for quahog. Quahogs are hard-shelled clams found in the ocean. R is for ray. R is for ray. Rays glide through the water with their wide, flat bodies. S is for seahorse. S is for seahorse. Seahorses are tiny, unique creatures that look like horses. T is for turtle. T is for turtle. Sea turtles swim great distances through the oceans. U is for urchin. U is for urchin. Sea urchins are spiny and live on the ocean floor. V is for viperfish. V is for viperfish. Viperfish have sharp teeth and live deep in the ocean. W is for walrus. W is for walrus. Walruses have big tusks and love to rest on ice. X is for Cepheus. X is for Cepheus. Cepheus is another name for the swordfish, a fast swimmer. Y is for yellowtail fish. Y is for yellowtail fish. Yellowtail fish are popular in many oceans around the world. C is for zebra shark. Z is for zebra shark. Zebra sharks have beautiful stripes like zebras. Great job! You've learned the alphabet with some incredible sea animals. Keep practicing and explore more next time. See you in the next adventure. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting adventures.
Subscribe to my channel.